Christmasers, welcome back to the channel for Christmasing. I am Jeanna Loves Christmas. This week we are unpacking my 3 simple loops. Single loop, done. Nailed it. Have you seen the original video? It looks like this. It's really good. This was the best I got. I had never been so nervous to record anything because I really left it all out on the table. 5 P's, pinch, pleat, pucker, pop, personality. Pop personality. We are the champagning of Christmas tree ribboning, okay? Are you ready for this? Double loops. Let's go. I am working on the Southern Spruce Vickerman tree. She's trim, so we love that. She fits anywhere. She has 2 different branches. She has a little shorty branch and then she has a long needle branch. She has tons of texture. She is like her own pick. Do you get that? Hang out with me long enough, you will. She's full of redeeming qualities, but this particular little branch isn't gonna hold any of the weight I plan on putting on this tree. So I'm just gonna bend it over like that. Ta-da! Tutorial over. We're going classic today. Classic Christmas. Red, green, gold, all the feels. This is an antique diamond ribbon. Harlequin print, this is a fun fact, has nothing to do with anything, is one of my favorite prints in the entire world. This is available on my website. It's a Fair Silk ribbon. She's gorgeous. And she's back with gold lame. Me and Elvis approved. If you already watched the other ribboning videos, I'm just gonna talk about things we've already talked about. So I cut everything at an angle just because I like it, so you can cut yours however you want. I wanna see creativity in these cuts. I'm waiting for like the end to be like a heart. Oh, that could be cute. No, I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna do that. Starting with my candy cane shape, I'm gonna give it a pinch, and the pinch gave me the pleat and the pucker. That's just 3 of the P's right there. Right there, so fast. Heart twist. Okay, let's talk about the twist. It's a half twist because it reintroduced the fabric that I wanted to see. But this particular ribbon, full twist. Oh, hello. Did you see it? Did you see it happen? Yeah, let's just do that. Why not? Okay. Reintroducing into my fingers, into my pinch. So now the whole thing is being pinched real tight. I mean, I'm talking, I already bruised myself in the last video. I'm pinching this like I mean it. Like if my kid was hanging off a cliff and I had to pinch to hold on to the kid. I'm not gonna let go. Don't let go of the double loop. It's a double loop. It's not a single. You have to hold on even tighter, okay? Getting back that original. You have to do the heart twist again. She's adorable. Wire up. Wrap that wire around. I'm never letting go of the pin. I'm still protecting the ribbon. Nobody's going off a cliff today. No, we're going into a Christmas tree. It's way merrier. I'm going right into the top. Now I'm not gonna put this down here. Do you see why? I feel confident that you do. I'm going into the top. Because technically this is my topper. Just gonna wire her in, see what she's doing today. She's gonna come right off the side. You're gonna guide that back. Great, I only have 10 yards of this ribbon, but she's a trim tree. Keeping the body in my ribbon, I'm only going to do 1 tuck. I'm using that inner PVC. She is kissing the trunk of the tree. She's all the way into the heart. She's not messing around. If she was on the edge, we're not doing that today, remember? She would be falling. We want her to be real secure. I could pull the whole tree. Did you see that? She's real tight. And that's gonna give her all that pop and personality. I followed the exact line of the Harlequin print. I was feeling pretty proud of myself. You're like, why is she thinking about that so much? Candy cane shape, pinch, super hard, half hard twist, hard twist, half. Reintroduce. It's a backwards candy cane, right? You see it? Just bringing her back up, adding into the original loop. Do you see my fingers? Look, watch this. I'm shaking. That's how hard I'm holding on to this. Do you see it? I'm shaking. Hard twist, hard half twist. I'm gonna work her right down the tree in a double loop. Watch this. Hi. I'm just gonna use some of the gold. The gold's gorgeous. It is meant to be 2-sided. You're welcome to use any side of the ribbon that makes your heart happy. because it's your ribbon. You can do whatever you want. If you need to move your tree branches to the side, just do that. When I tucked it into the heart, I made sure I still had that pinch and pucker. I have a lot of conversations with you about how much ribbon you need. I can only get 10 yards, Jeanna. That's okay, because ribbon can be complementary. It doesn't have to be the entire ensemble. Ribbon can be like the little barrette, it can be the little belt buckle, it can be the little shishi down here. It doesn't have to be the whole situation. So ribbon, in a lot of ways, you don't even have to use ribbon when you do a Christmas tree. Did you know that? Not all of my trees have ribbon. I love ribbon, but sometimes I don't need that moment. But you don't have to have it throughout the entire tree. If you use a lot of ribbon, you don't need as many ornaments. If you have a lot of ornaments, you can use less ribbon. Or you can just have this popping off some gifts at the bottom. You have so many options. It's really exciting, actually. Keeping my doubles going. Because it's a video, I'm only gonna do the front half. This is what usually happens when I decorate the whole tree for you. Excuse me. You always have to decorate the back of your tree because that's just what you would do. If I come over, I'm gonna see it and so will God. See, you don't need to see me decorate the back, but you know, if it was in my house, it was gonna be decorated. I used about 5 yards on the front. That was a tight squeeze. I used about 5 yards on the front. I'm gonna save the back 5 for the pretend back of the tree. Well, red's my signature color. Yes, it is. It's always gonna be my signature color. This is a red luster velvet from Ferris Look, also on the website. This velvet has a little bit of kiss glitter in it. Has a little sparkle, the luster. Keeping with doubles. I will have to pinch this harder because it's velvet. Therefore, it is a thicker material. But my pinching skills are well rehearsed. Candy cane shape, pinch hard. It's way more energy and effort than the other one. Pop, see how tight that is? Right there? You have to do this pop. This part is important. That's what gives me that first original little pleat and pucker. We need it. Hard twist, this is a beautiful Duponi silk on the mesh, but I still want to see my velvet. So hard twist, half twist, and it's a tree of doubles. I have to stay with a double. Adding it in to that finger, tight, marrying it to that finger, and then giving it the twist. So when I'm done, it doesn't matter what size bow you make. If you make like a 10 looper, a 50 looper, you have to marry the fingers together at some point. My loops aren't even the same size, and that's okay. I don't want you to be so consumed with making sure the loops are the same size. Remember, we have that personality part. It can be disproportioned. It can. It's okay. It can be a little popping in one angle. It's kind of like me, a little popping in some angles, a little smaller in other angles. We like that. I'm gonna bring her right here, get her right back into that. So we call that into the connector. When you connect your loops into an original loop, it's a connector. When you bring your loop into a portion that has come down the tree, it's a joint. So this would be a joint, and that was a connector ribbon. Now, what is my tree gonna look like? I have no idea. I don't really plan this out very much. So I think my like here is just to bring this down, finding one of my PVC branches, wrapping it around, making it very tight. Getting my body, there she goes. There she goes. You can't have like great music playing because it's YouTube, just copyright issues. So it's just playing in my head. Did you see what I did? Does it look as good as I think it does? I think it might. Let me look. Step back, look at your masterpiece, enjoy it. Okay, so what I did is I just have this little moment up here, but I wanted her to carry it down through. And I'm still leaving lots of green for my ornaments, and I wanna see this tree. This tree has a lot of personality, the green is good, and it's classic Christmas trees. I feel like you really wanna see the greenery in the tree. Candy cane shape. Pinch it so hard. Get that pucker popping out. Always address this part first. Always give it a little attention. Rolling it down, engage your core. No, I'm just kidding, it doesn't matter. And then hard twist, half twist, get us back in play. And all of a sudden, oh, we have a loop again. If you didn't do that, it wouldn't do that. You'd be against the grain. You'd have to do the full loop to get it to the natural grain. Pinching it in, meeting it together, and the half twist. Velvet is a very weighted material. Therefore, I'm gonna start a whole new bow, even though she's not gonna connect to anything. She's gonna be her own little offshoot. We just had a baby. We had a Christmas baby. What are we gonna name her? If we had a Christmas baby, Kyle, our baby would be named Christmas Crawford. It would happen, mark my words. It's really got a ring to it. When one of my olives grabs my scissors to cut something that's not really fancy ribbon, they get side-eyed. Only cut your fine ribbons with sharp scissors. Mini Jester diamond lace. It's a tongue twister, but it's a ribbon I'm gonna use. And all I wanna know is where's the jumbo sized one? I'd like to see it. This is gonna bring in all that light, and we need that. Oh, geez. Like back to the whole I can't see. We're back to I can't see. Okay, I just cut this. How fun is that? I can do that. That's fun times. No plan whatsoever, ever. Okay. Candy cane shape. I have to stick with doubles because we're doing doubles today. But this would make a beautiful single, just saying. I feel like we can, I can't cheat it. I'm like, we already did singles. We can mix in one. Nope, we're committed to the doubles. Oh, this ribbon is a gorgeous. Verasilk, always outdoing themselves, always. I get asked quite often, do I ever regret cutting my ribbon? And the answer is no, I never do. I never regret it. When I'd be done, I would just roll it back on the roll and then use cut pieces the next year. But if I didn't cut my ribbon, I'd never get what I'm getting now. We need this. In this particular tree, what do we have? 10 yards. This one I would need 20 up to get around the whole tree. I'm gonna try to only get away with 10 yards on this one as well. If I wanna go for minimal ribbon, I have to choose where it's going. And I have to cut it. Oh, hold on. See, now I committed to the decorative cut. I might become fast at it. Trimming it up. Giving trims everywhere I go. If you ever came over to my house and you needed a haircut, I'd give you one. You wouldn't even have to ask. It would just be so awkward. You'd be like, I thought you were getting me a glass of water. I am in a trim. I mean, I only want to use Harlequin ribbon from now on. That's all I want. Just keep a lookout for all my trees. Candy cane shape. Super tight pinch. Hard twist. Connect them. Marry them. Hard twist again. I just made a giant bow with 2 loops. Just some doubles. Look what just happened there. Am I not gonna be able to do it with 10 yards? I'm gonna need 20. I'm going to need 20. I also made that a really big loop just because it's cute. Our next tutorial is gonna be how I cut this pattern. I'm just kidding. Oh, let's see what I have left. It's a really small piece. That's okay though, I have this decorative cut. So I'm gonna pinch it and I'm gonna have it coming out as a tail. We need more. We have to have it. We have to. All I need is some Kenny and Dolly. All I need is that Christmas album. Have you heard it? It's one of my favorite ones. I'm gonna go with ornaments now. Let me show you my recipe. Super simple, classic recipe. Red, gold, green, different sizes. Shatterproof, toddler approved. Oh yes. These are available on my website. Glitter. If you don't like glitter, you're probably in the wrong place. I'm covered in it and everybody I know has glitter on them. This gorgeous pick is from All Seasons Artificial, part of my Vickerman Selects. Comes in a 12 pack because if you need a pick, you need at least 12, sometimes 24, 36, 72. I only count in quantities of 12. Double loops. I don't even know who I am right now. There is so much of the Christmas tree showing. It was like an out-of-body experience for me. But for everybody who says I put too much in the tree, this one's for you. Subscribe, lots more coming. The triple loops, that's what's coming next. If you want to hang out with me daily, ask me questions, you'll find me on Instagram. Thank you for Christmasing with me today.